What's up guys, we're gonna wash our K&N filter and it's gonna cost less than $5 from Walmart. Alright, so we're looking for carbonated water, which is gonna be right here. This goes for about 97 cents and we're gonna take about, let's take 2 bottles. Next, what we need, dish soap. Dish soap's about $1.67. Doesn't matter what brand you get. The last thing you want to get are some buckets. Jeez, the lineups are always the worst at Walmart. At least they have self-checkout. We're gonna start off by popping the hood. Now under the engine bay, you'll notice that I have a short ram intake and not the OEM stock airbox. What we're gonna do is take a flathead screwdriver and remove the filter from the heat shield. And as you can see, it's really dirty. This is about 2 years worth of dust and debris. Even holding onto it gets my hand dirty. Alright, so we got our bucket, we got our 3 bottles, and our dish soap. Here is our filter, super dirty. So I never washed this for the last, since I bought my car, so it's been over 2 years, which is really bad. So don't be like me. We're gonna use this bucket. We are gonna fill it up with, let's try with 2 bottles first. So, oh crap, what the hell? Why is off to a bad start? Is this good? This is not gonna blow up? Hey, okay, so we're gonna pour this in here. Cool. Alright, so that's 1 bottle. Let's open up our second bottle. Okay. I don't know why the first bottle blew up, but keep in mind these bottles are only 97 cents. If you have a bucket and soap at home, you're essentially doing this for $2 instead of 20 with the K&N kits. We actually don't even need the 3rd bottle, but I'ma just use it. Whatever. Oh, no, my god. Why? Who shook this? I'm gonna find that idiot. You know what? How does this taste like? Let me taste this. This tastes nasty. Why would someone drink this? Disgusting. Okay. Enough goofing off. Next step, we are putting sunlight or whatever dish soap. So we're gonna squeeze. Alright, that's probably more than I need. Who thinks if I put this in here, it's just gonna explode out of here? Let me know in the comments below. And I'm in a garage where it's like, it just looks like crap, so... You know what, just in case, I'm gonna put a towel underneath all this, so I'll be right back. Yeah, it's super simple. You just take the filter, dump it in here. I don't know if this is gonna blow up, so I'm just gonna... Well, that was pretty boring. So what I'm gonna do, take a paintbrush. Any dirt that's trapped in between, cleaned out. That's super nasty right here. The water, oh, ew, that's so nasty. Look at the water, it's just disgusting. So yeah, anyways, this is the process. Ooh, I like this carbon fiber over here. Everything in here out. I'm gonna go toss this water out. Yeah, so after you just want to dry it off with a towel. So let's go install this in the car. Don't do that. What you need to do, let the entire fabric of this dry. So you're gonna need like 24 hours. Or, if you want to speed up the process, you can use a blow dryer. Don't drive your car without a filter, because that's really stupid. I left it by my heater vent and let it dry overnight. Right now, this is looking super clean and is ready to be installed back into my car. We're also going to clean the surrounding area where a filter is going to be placed. So we're just going to use a rag and some like Windex. That looks a lot better. Alright, so now we put the K&N filter back on. This is going to get screwed back on. Perfect, so once this is on, we're done. Now we can start up the car, and that's how you complete a tutorial.